Deputy Sean High.
Thank you, Ceann Comhairle. In relation to the programme for government, section 5 on page 60, dealing with health, there is a heading, Improving Waiting Times for Hospital Procedures. And there's all sorts of commitments given in that particular section. Today we learned that there are over 614,000 on hospital waiting lists, up 11,460 since January. These relate to patients waiting for inpatient or daycare procedures and for outpatient appointments. We are informed that the HSE is preparing waiting list action plans for 2017 and that the Minister is currently reviewing these draft plans. Well, I'd say you need to be reviewing them pretty quickly because 2017 is well underway. Tánaiste, behind these statistics, there is utter anxiety and pain for many ill people, and the situation is obviously getting worse. Yes, the population is ageing and there are increases in demand for health services, but all this could have been predicted. So my question, Tánaiste, is would you agree that more action is now urgently required to deal with this escalating problem?
Thank you, Deputy. Every action is being taken by the Minister and by the Department of Health to deal with the ever-increasing demand on our health services. If I give you one example, 25,000 referrals used to be made per month by GPs. That's now at 35,000 per month for specialist services. People have higher and higher expectations, but of course we are all very concerned about the waiting list, and every action is being taken by all of the local health services, by the ministers. Extra clinics are being put in place. Particular initiatives are being taken in relation to the waiting list for children. No child, for example, who needs a scoliosis operation would be waiting longer than 4 months by the end of this year. That's major improvement, and as a result of a whole series of individual actions. Clearly, there is a number of broader issues which need to be addressed, which are being addressed. That is the extra money, the almost €1 billion that has been put into the health service by this government last year, an increase of €1 billion. The bed capacity review, which is underway, the GP contract, which needs to be renegotiated. All of these are being dealt with. And let's remember that 1.7 million operations were carried out in the last year for patients around the country. Let's look at some of the successes of our health service as well, where day in, day out, people are receiving excellent care.